Exploring the beauty of abstract art, my favorite form of expression, art has the extraordinary ability to transcend boundaries and evoke emotions. It serves as a medium for self-expression, communication, and reflection. In this essay, I will delve into my favorite form of art, abstract art. With its vibrant colors, bold brushstrokes, and enigmatic forms, abstract art captivates me and allows for endless interpretation. Through this exploration, I hope to convey the profound impact abstract art has on me and its unique ability to evoke emotions and spark imagination. 1. Appreciating the essence of abstraction, abstract art is a form of expression that moves away from representing the physical world and embraces the freedom of the artist's imagination. It allows for the exploration of emotions, ideas, and concepts through non-representational forms, colors, and lines. The absence of recognizable objects invites viewers to engage with the artwork on a deeply personal level, creating their own interpretations and connections. 2. Embracing emotion and subjectivity, one of the most captivating aspects of abstract art is its ability to evoke emotions. The use of vibrant colors, dynamic compositions, and expressive brushstrokes can create a visual language that transcends words. Abstract art invites viewers to tap into their own emotions and experiences, allowing for a subjective and personal connection with the artwork. Each viewer may interpret the piece differently, finding resonance with their own feelings and experiences. 3. Freedom of interpretation, abstract art offers a space for endless interpretation and imagination. Rather than providing a clear narrative or representation, abstract artworks allow the viewer's mind to wander and create meaning. The absence of a predefined subject liberates the viewer from constraints, encouraging individual interpretations and sparking curiosity. The open-ended nature of abstraction fosters a sense of exploration and invites viewers to engage actively with the artwork. 4. Expressing the inexpressible, abstract art offers a unique form of expression that goes beyond the limitations of words. It allows artists to convey complex emotions, ideas, and experiences that may be difficult to articulate verbally. Through abstract forms, colors, and textures, artists can tap into the depths of their subconscious, giving tangible form to the intangible. This ability to express the inexpressible is what draws me to abstract art, as it offers a visual language that surpasses the boundaries of verbal communication. 5. The power of intuition and spontaneity, abstract art celebrates spontaneity and intuition. Artists often allow their emotions and instincts to guide their creative process, resulting in works that are raw, honest, and authentic. The absence of a predetermined outcome allows for experimentation, intuition, and the element of surprise. This element of spontaneity in abstract art resonates with me, as it reminds me of the importance of embracing vulnerability and embracing the unexpected in life. 6. Inspiring creativity and imagination, abstract art has the power to ignite creativity and imagination in both artists and viewers. Its non-representational nature encourages creative thinking, as it challenges traditional perspectives and invites new ways of seeing and interpreting the world. Abstract art inspires me to think outside the box, embrace experimentation, and explore unconventional ideas in my own creative endeavors. Abstract art, with its freedom of expression, emotional resonance, and limitless interpretations, holds a special place in my heart. Its ability to evoke emotions, spark imagination, and transcend the confines of representation fascinates me. Abstract art is a magical destination where I can immerse myself into the world of creativity and mysteries that carries me far away.